Hello, my name is Steve and I'm sales manager for Geofire, and we manufacture a range of devices for legally holding open internal fire doors. That range is called Agrippa, and today I have the Agrippa holder and the Agrippa closer to show you. Firstly, we have the holder. Now let's have a look to see what is in the box. Comes with everything you need to set up. We have the fitting instructions here. We have a drill template for the unit. We have the unit itself. We have the keeper plate. And we have 2 C-cell batteries. And the way the product works is the unit will be attached to the wall. You take off this cover and put it into a learn mode. And then you program the unit to record the sound of the fire alarm. You attach the keeper plate to the fire door itself. This handy rubber ring goes on the back and that holds the keeper plate in place. You will then close the door, sound the fire alarm, and when it has learnt the specific sound of your alarm, it will release the door and you're ready to go. The Agrippa holder and the closer, in fact, has a really handy red button here on the front, which when you press it will manually release the door. And it will also, on the screen here, will show you the battery level and any error messages, should there be any. But it will also flash A if it's released because it's heard the sound of the alarm. As I say, the product is completely wireless, battery operated, so you don't need any expert installation to fit it. This product is quite unique because not only does it work on sound, it also works on frequency, so it's very accurate, so it won't just release your fire door on any noise basically. And here we have the Agrippa closer, and the technology works in exactly the same way as the holder. So you take the product through a listen and learn of your specific fire alarm, and it will store it in its memory, so it'll only release the fire door when it hears that specific sound. Also in the closer, as per the holder, we have the instruction manual, error messages on the back, so it will help you if there's any issues, and also handy templates here for fitting normally and for parallel fitting as well if you need to. Main difference with the Agrippa closer is that you can hold the fire door open at any angle, and it makes the fire door really light and easy to move. So it's ideal if you want a bit of privacy, or if you want to have the door wide open, then you can. Both products have the same red button, so you can manually release it at any time and check the battery level. Both products are CE approved, and they conform to the British standard for holding open fire doors with door retainers, which is the BS 7273 Part 4. The devices are recognised by the UK Fire and Rescue Service and the London Fire Brigade. Both devices can be used pretty much anywhere there is a fire door. The holder though will need to be held back directly onto a wall, so you will need a wall. If there isn't a wall there, then we do supply brackets to bridge the gap. Alternatively, you could just go for a closer, so you will only need the Agrippa closer, you won't need a holder as well. This will do both jobs for you. And the closer will hold the door open at any angle and make the fire door nice and easy to move. Both devices are really easy to fit yourselves. So if you're looking for a legally compliant solution for holding open your fire doors, the Agrippa range is the product for you. And it's available from IronmongeryDirect, online or at the trade counter.